Welcome back, cleaning enthusiasts, to another exciting episode. Today, we're about to revolutionize the way you clean with the remarkable BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max vacuum cleaner and mop. Say farewell to dirt, grime, and the mundane cleaning routine. Imagine having a single cleaning companion that effortlessly vacuums and mops your hard floors and area rugs simultaneously. Say hello to the BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the Cordless Max utilizes a powerful combination of vacuum suction and dual-action brush rolls to remove even the toughest dirt and stains, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. Say goodbye to tangled cords and restricted movement. The Cordless Max gives you the freedom to clean anywhere, anytime, without being tied down by power outlets. Clean with unparalleled convenience. Maintenance is a breeze with the Cordless Max. The easy-to-clean brush rolls and removable tanks ensure that keeping your cleaning companion in tip-top condition is as simple as a quick rinse. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget about the stylish and sleek design that complements your modern home. A cleaner home isn't just about appearances, it contributes to a healthier lifestyle. With the Cordless Max, you can bid farewell to allergens and enjoy a fresh, welcoming environment. And there you have it, how to clean your BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max vacuum cleaner like a pro. Keeping your cleaning buddy in tip-top shape not only extends its life, but also ensures your home stays spick and span. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting cleaning solutions, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy cleaning!